a chameleon sitting in the back of the class. Backpack rattling like a toolbox full of glass. Click, 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 yeah, he loves that sound. Mechanical pencils piled all around. Neon green, transparent blue, one for every mood he's ever been through. But today he's got a mischievous plan, a tiny rebellion only he understands. He twists them open one by one, like he's disarming little bombs for fun. Silver springs go boing on the desk. This is Carter at his mechanical best. Oh, Carter Chameleon, what have you done? You took out the lead from every single one. Clicking, but there's nothing to write, just hollow little pencils ready to fight. Oh, Carter Chameleon, king of the prank, left the whole pencil case empty and blank. Now the classroom's quiet, dead ahead, 'cause every single pencil's out of lead. He lines the graphite in a tiny gray row, like a pencil graveyard nobody knows. Teacher says, why ain't you starting the sheet? He just shrugs with a grin so sweet. Click, 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 but it's all pretend. No dark lines at the very end. He's got the colors, the grips, the style, but not a single mark for a mile. Springs and tubes in organized piles. He's been at it for at least 10 miles. A craftsman, a chaos calm instead, mastermind of missing lead. Oh, Carter Chameleon, what's the plan? You dismantled them faster than anyone can. All those pencils look so tough, but none of them got the writing stuff. Oh, Carter Chameleon, slick and sly, watching that clicker button try and try. Now the test says use black lead, but every single pencil's been misled. Maybe he just liked the sound, or the way the tiny pieces scattered around. Maybe it's control in a world so loud, or just boredom standing proud. Graphite dust on his fingertips, little gray smudges on his lips. He built a kingdom in his head out of springs and sticks of lead. Oh, Carter Chameleon, strange but bright, turning tools into art overnight. You took apart what others use, just to see what you could lose. Oh, Carter Chameleon, don't you forget, you can always put it back together yet. Till then you rule your silent stead with 1,000 pencils and no more